It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Thursday, the 11th of November. I'm James Spann. Rain and thunderstorms will be ending across Alabama this evening. After that, a fairly long stretch of dry weather and noticeably colder by the time the weekend gets here. Let's begin as we usually do with the upper air look across North America. Very deep trough moving in. That's driving a cold front through here this afternoon. There's the visible satellite view. Most of Alabama socked in with clouds. A few breaks down in the southern half of the state, and the sky is clearing to the north and west. Memphis, they're in sunshine now. The Mississippi Delta, they are clear, and we will see a clearing sky across Alabama tonight. That was the radar composite about 2:15 this afternoon. Rain and storms passing through parts of north and central Alabama. A few spots getting heavy amounts of rain, but the storms are well below severe limits. Temperatures behind the rain are in the 60s, ahead of the rain in the 70s. Alexander City at 74, but back behind that front, Haleyville down to 61. Up north, winter weather issues for parts of Minnesota and the Dakotas. Wind advisories in effect there as well, as a very deep surface low is producing winter-like weather conditions. No severe weather expected through tonight as the front passes through. Tomorrow, we do note there is a marginal risk of severe storms from the coast of Maryland up to Boston and Cape Cod in advance of the front. And day 3, which is Saturday. We expect no severe storms across the country, really no thunder, maybe a rumble down in extreme South Florida. Rain for the next 7 days. Keep in mind, this counts the rain we experienced today. The really big numbers back in the Pacific Northwest. And again, what you see here, that's the rain we're getting right now. We're going to be dry tomorrow through about the daytime hours Thursday of next week. The next chance of rain toward the end of next week, most likely Thursday night. Tropics, all is quiet. We've got that North Atlantic storm that's not tropical. That's a cold core system that's not going to get a name. And again, it looks like things are pretty much done for the season, which is a good thing. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Ridge in the west, troughing digging down into the eastern states. And for us, the day will be sunny. Temperatures a bit cooler. Highs should be in the 60s. And then Saturday, a secondary surge of colder air drops in here. Saturday morning will be well down in the 30s. The high Saturday only between 50 and 55. It'll be noticeably colder. But again, the sky will be sunny, and Sunday, a sunny day with a cold morning. We'll start the day around freezing. I'd say lows between 27 and 34 for most spots. The high Sunday should be in the upper 50s with a sunny sky. Monday, sunny with upper 50s. Tuesday, we're dry. Low 60s. Wednesday, still looking good. And a week from today, this is Thursday the 18th, troughing north and west of the state, and a surface front approaching, and it looks like that will bring some chance of rain maybe late Thursday and Thursday night of next week. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, November 21st. Upper high over the Gulf, troughing way up north, and once again we are dry. Still no sign of any severe weather problems here for the next 10 days, which is a good thing. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble, the mean between 1 and 2 inches between now and the 27th of November. Temperatures coming down. Highs tomorrow in the 60s, low 50s on Saturday. Again, Sunday morning, many spots will likely see a freeze. Highs in the 50s through Monday, and then back in the 60s for the rest of next week. And hot off the presses, the brand new CPC Outlook Climate Prediction Center. This is for November 19th through the 25th, and if this verifies, temperatures here would be at or maybe slightly above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.